Assalamualaikum and very good morning, girls. Okay, how are you today? I hope you are always in a healthy condition. Right, okay, so I also hope you all always a high motivation to learn. Okay, for today we are going to continue our discussion on the cell division, on the chapter 6, okay, cell division. Okay, we go to short review what we had learned before this. Okay, what is cell division? Cell division refer to the karyokinesis and also cytokinesis. What is a karyokinesis? It is referred to the division of the nucleus. Okay, kinesis refer to the division, karyo refer to the nucleus, division of the nucleus. And then a cell division also including division of the cytoplasm, which is cytokinesis. Cyto refer to the cytoplasm, kinesis refer to the division. And then we go to the type of cell. So as we know before that our cell consists of the two types, which are somatic cells that refer to our body cell, and then gamete. Gamete refer to the reproductive cells. Okay. So somatic cells other than gametes. Okay, gamete refer to the reproductive cells. Examples are sperm and also ovum. The somatic cell produced by mitosis, through mitosis, whereby the gamete is produced through meiosis. Okay, later we will discuss more about the mitosis and meiosis. Somatic cell has diploid number of chromosomes. Diploid number of the chromosome refer to the two set of chromosome, which is 2n. But the gamete has haploid number of the chromosome. One cell equal to the one set of the chromosome. So in the cell only consists of one set of the chromosome. But in the somatic cell, in the cell consists of two set of the chromosome in the nucleus. Okay, so look at here. So these are the three forms of the chromosome. All of these are chromosome. Okay, but I want you to know the shape of that. Okay, if you look at this diagram, this is called as chromosome. Okay, chromosome, or you can call as sister chromatids with the S. Chromatids with the S. Okay, here refer to the chromatid. Chromatid one. Just a one chromatid here, but it's also chromosome. Okay, and then here refer to the homologous chromosomes. What are the homologous chromosomes? They are referred to the two chromosomes or a pair of chromosomes that have same shape, same size. Okay, that is referred to the homologous chromosome. Okay, next we go to the cell cycle. Cell cycle. What is the cell cycle? It is a sequence of events involving DNA multiplication. DNA multiply to produce two daughter cells. Involving DNA multiplication to produce two daughter cells. So at the end of the cell cycle, it will produce two daughter cells. So in the cell cycle, there are two main stages. Two main stages, which is interphase and also M phase. M phase. In the interphase, there are three subphases. Three subphases. Okay, what are they? G1, S, and G2. Okay, so in G1 phase, what happened in the G1 phase? Synthesis of mitochondria, ER. ER refer to the endoplasmic reticulum and the proteins. Okay, I repeat, synthesis of mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, and protein occur here. And then the chromosome in chromatin form. Okay, what is a chromatin? Chromatin means a thread-like form. Yeah, thread-like form. Okay, then we go to the S phase. Okay, after G1 phase, it will followed by the S phase. Okay, in the S phase, okay, what happened here? Synthesis of DNA occur. Yeah, synthesis of DNA occur here. Yeah, and the chromosomes becomes 2. Yeah, the chromosomes multiply or duplicate here. Will produce 2 identical chromosomes. Yeah, identical will produce 2 identical chromosomes. Okay, so that was occur in the S phase. And then the G2. In the G2 phase, cell continue to grow, gather energy for final change. Yeah, so it will gather energy. Okay, so that is referred to the 3 subphase in the interphase. Okay, where is the DNA synthesis occur? In the S phase. Okay, after the G2, yeah, the cell will continue with the M phase. Yeah, M phase. M phase can be divided into 2 phases here. Okay, mitosis and cytokinesis. What is a mitosis? Refer to the division of the nucleus. Yeah, division of the nucleus. Yeah, and then the cytokinesis refer to the division of the cytoplasm. So at the end of the cell cycle, it will produce 2 daughter cells. Okay, after that, we are going to discuss the mitosis process. Okay, so mitosis is very important, yeah, very important, yeah, in our body because by mitosis, our body can produce the new cells, yeah, can replace the dead cells. Alright, so we can grow. Yeah, okay. So what is the meaning of the mitosis? It is referred to the division of parent cell into 2 nuclei. A division of parent cell, yeah, of parent nucleus into the 2 nuclei. So from 1 nuclei, it will produce 2. It will divide it into 2 nuclei. Okay, so that is referred to the mitosis. In the mitosis, there is a 5 stages. Okay, 5 phases. What are they? P, M, A, T. P, M, A, T. Okay, not 5 here, 4. 4 stages. Yeah? Okay, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Okay, after that, it will followed by cytokinesis. Okay, so we are going to discuss what happened in every phase. Yeah, every phase. Okay, starting from the prophase. Make sure you can state, you can explain what is the chromosomal behavior occur in every phase. Yeah, okay, so in the exam, if the question asking you about the chromosomal behavior of the chromosome, yeah, in the every phase, make sure you can list all the chromosomal behavior. Okay, we go to the first phase, okay, prophase. So you should draw the diagram here. Okay, make sure you can understand the diagram here. Okay, in the prophase, chromatin shorten and thicken. Yeah, chromatin shorten and thicken. What is a chromatin? Chromatin refers to the thread-like chromosome. Okay, and then it will be shortened and thickened. Then chromosome made up of 2 identical threads. Yeah, made up of 2 identical threads here. As you can see here, chromosomes in the form of the 2 sister chromatids. Yeah, 2 identical threads here. And then what happened to the nucleus membrane here? Nuclear membrane disintegrate. Yeah, nuclear membrane here disintegrate. Okay, disintegrate maksudnya apa? Dia akan hilang. Dia akan hilang dan dia akan breakdown. Nucleolus disappear. Okay, and then the nucleolus disappear. Dia akan hilang. Centriole move to the opposite poles. Yeah. Okay, centriole move to the opposite poles. Okay. And then spindle fiber start to form. Okay, as you can see here, centriole start to form the spindle fiber. Okay, so that is occur in the prophase. Okay, after that, metaphase. Okay, in the metaphase, chromosome align in a single row at equatorial plane. Okay, as you can see here, these are referred to the chromosomes that align in a single row at equatorial plane. Alright, okay. Centriole reach to the opposite poles, and then it will at the centromere. When the centromere begin to divide, yeah, it will end when the centromere begin to divide. Okay, so you can write the chromosomal behavior is chromosome aligned in a single row at equatorial plane. Okay, the third phase is anaphase. Yeah, anaphase. Okay, so this is the diagram of the anaphase. Alright, okay, what happened here? Centromere divide into two, sister chromatids separate. Okay, centromere, this is centromere here. Alright, divide into two and the sister chromatids separate. And the sister chromatid here will separate. Spindle fiber contract and shorten. Okay, spindle fiber contract and shorten. Sister chromatid attract or pull. Right, okay, you can replace the word here to the pull. Yeah, pull, ditarik. Sister chromatids pull to the opposite pole here. Alright, okay, that is anaphase. After that, telophase. The last phase in the mitosis. The chromatids at opposite pole is called daughter chromosome. Yeah, daughter chromosome. So when the chromatids reach to the poles here, it will call as daughter chromosome. Okay, the chromosome shaped as fine chromatin. Alright, so the chromosome will turn back to the chromatin form, yeah, thread-like form, and then the nucleoli form again. Yeah, nucleoli here will form again, and then the spindle fiber disappear. Yeah, spindle fiber start to disappear. Nuclear membrane is formed. Okay, nuclear membrane is formed here. After that, after mitosis occur, it will follow by the cytokinesis. Okay, so later we will discuss more about the cytokinesis in animal cell and also in the plant cell. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you very much.